Hello guys, welcome back to OmeTV Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix OmeTV app camera not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with the OmeTV app here and your camera is not working, well, there is something that you could try doing. So first things first is you want to look for the OmeTV app here. And in here, you want to press and hold on it. Now once you press and hold on it, you should see this pop up here. Go ahead and click on the eye icon that you see next to the trash can icon. And it should open up your app info. Now, what you need to do is you want to look for the app permissions option. Now, in this case, you may need to scroll down here, but usually it's going to be the center here. Click on app permissions. Now, from here, you want to look for the camera permission. So in this case, it should be under not allowed. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, you want to go and choose the option here that says allow only while using app. Now, once you select that, you can go and go back. Now, same thing if you want to allow your microphone, choose microphone. Choose the option here again, allow only while using the app, and go ahead and go back. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and open up OmeTV here and see if that actually solves any of your issue. Now, if this doesn't solve your issue, the last and final thing that you can try doing here is you want to uninstall the app and reinstall it again on your phone and see if that actually helps. Typically speaking, for other devices, just press and hold on it, click on the trash can icon, click on uninstall. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up Google Play Store, reinstall it again, and see if that actually helps. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to OmeTV Inspo. Thank you for watching.